Hello guys, today I'm going to discuss about one of the most famous works of Robert Frost, The Road Not Taken. There is a story behind the writing of The Road Not Taken. This poem is based upon the choice of Robert Frost in his journey in becoming a prolific writer of all times. Robert Frost was an American. He was an American by birth and origin. He had a very keen interest in writing poetries and other literary pieces, but he couldn't attain that glory for his exciting and colorful ideas for a very long period of time in America. So he decided to move to England, London with his family. There he became very famous and became a sensational writer of all times. In this poem, Robert Frost tells his readers how his choice in his life has transformed him and how a choice made all the difference in his life. He wants to reveal the outcome of that decision which he had got after choosing his career or that road.
So let's start the poem, The Road Not Taken. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I cannot travel both, and be one traveller. Long I stood, and looked down one as far as I could, to where it bent in the undergrowth. So here the poet discusses about two roads which got divided or forked in a yellow wood. Here, wood means forest, and yellow symbolizes the autumn season when the leaves of trees have turned yellow. The poet is sorry as he cannot travel both roads or two roads at the same time. So, he stood long at the point of divergence, gazing at one of those roads. He is trying to peep to the fullest view in order to see where the road leads, but he cannot because the road got bent and got hidden under the undergrowth. Coming to the second stanza, let's start. Then took the other just as fair and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted wear, though as for that the passing there had warned them really about the same. Then the poet chooses the second road just as fair means just and equal to or same as the first. Maybe second road was more beautiful and attractive. The poet is uncertain about his choice. He says perhaps it may turn out to be a better claim or a better choice in future because it was grassy. The path that Frost had chosen was grassy. Grassy here symbolizes the path which is less traveled or less trodden. Generally, in any plot where people travel less becomes grassy, and place where people pass more becomes a beaten track, and grass does not grow over there. So the poet here wants to walk in a grassy plot, and since it was grassy, it was not worn out, and the other part must have been worn out because people have traveled. I think many people have traveled that path according to Robert Frost. So Robert Frost chooses the second way.
Coming to the third stanza, and both that morning equally lay in leaves, no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. The poet says that the two roads in the morning equally lay, which means that the two laying roads are equally inviting. But in the second road, no step had trodden any leaf black. The poet says that since nobody has passed through the second road, no leaf has been stepped, because whenever someone walks on the leaf, it becomes black with the imprint of the footstep. So he decides to keep the first road for another day and decides to walk on the second one. The poet knows that once someone decides a way, that way leads to the future career, and it takes years for carving the future, and it is never possible to come back and redecide the choice of road, and so he doubts if he could ever come back and redecide the road. Coming to the last stanza, I shall be telling this with a sigh. Somewhere ages and ages hence, two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and I took the less traveled by, and that has made all the difference. The poet says he will be telling this in future about the road which he had taken years before with a sigh. Now here the poet has not clarified what does the sigh indicates, because we sigh in two cases: firstly in satisfaction or relief, and secondly when we lose something very precious. So the poet will narrate his story with a sigh in future, about the two roads which got divided in a yellow wood, and he chose the less traveled by, which has made all the differences in a life from the day of choosing the road to what he was then. If you have liked this video and the explanation, please let us know in the comment section, and please subscribe this channel. It will motivate us for making more videos, and please ask any doubt if you have. Thank you so much.